going on? Am I being kidnapped? Not at all. It's a rescue operation from wasting money. Cars actually have nothing in common with saving money. They are a constant source of stress and expenses. Repairs, checkups, gas. A bike is a whole different story. No spending and a lot of benefits. Don't worry that you'll run out of gas at the worst time. No traffic. And a free workout. Basically, work the pedals and save money. The first rule of saving money, don't fall for ads. Hey you, are you talking to me? Yes, look over here. This is the coolest phone ever, and it's on sale, 20% off. But I have a brand new phone. I just bought it. Ew, throw that old trash away. Don't embarrass yourself. This is what you need. You think so? Okay, I'm buying it. Done! I got it! Now it's 50% off. Why did I fall for this trick again? I can't be one-on-one with pizza. I want to eat it so bad. How can I eat one piece without someone finding out? Use a sneaky life hack. Cut 2 strips out of the center of a pizza, a horizontal and a vertical one. Put them onto a separate plate. Cut the remaining pizza into slices and make a circle. Yummy! Secret pieces are the tastiest as always. Here comes help. What? I didn't touch it. See? All the slices are here. No, the pizza was never bigger. It's just your imagination. Hee hee hee. That's the secret art of pizza disguise. We all know that feeling when we can't resist making another purchase. Shopaholism is a disease. Is there a cure? Of course there is! In order to defeat a sudden desire to buy something, you just have to wait and think about if you actually need it. And if you don't want it as much in half an hour, it means that you kept your urges under control and didn't make a mistake. There you go! This shopaholic won't be able to waste money now. This is the most reliable way of saving cash. Just a few more layers of wrap. Now wait for the impulse shopping urge to go away. It's over. The danger is gone. Does your restroom not smell like the Garden of Eden anymore? How can you freshen the air? Using toilet paper. Add a few drops of essential oil onto a roll of toilet paper. Lavender, for example. The toilet paper smells so nice. And it's a great substitute for an air freshener. What a great trick for saving money. All stores have this issue. The products at eye level are more expensive than the ones on upper and lower shelves. But we don't cut corners. A circus trick performed by a shopaholic. Voila! This dangerous performance is for the sake of a low price. Victory! Now let's check out. A shopping list is a must-have for saving money. Toilet paper, a mop, a walrus head. Here, take this list. I don't need it. I remember what I need. Of course, once I get into the store, I forgot what I needed. Bought a ton of stuff I don't need and didn't get what was on the list. Plus, I wasted so much time. I will have to go back for the list. When I have it, I save time and money. I really want to treat my ears to new earrings, but I don't want to spend any money. Use your imagination. Cut 2 circles off a wine cork. Draw hexagons on them. Cut them out with a utility knife. Poke a hole in each piece with a big needle. Put a bead cap and a wooden bead onto a pin. Stick it into the cork. Attach a jump ring and a blank earring. My homemade earrings are just as stylish as the ones in stores. Actually, they're even better because they are designer and unique. A penny saved is a penny earned. Is your toothpaste on its last legs? Not in this house! Cut the middle part off chopsticks. Polish the edges with a nail file. Keep the ends in place with rubber bands. Put a tube of toothpaste between the sticks. Now I can squeeze out the last drop of this toothpaste. It's a universal squeezer of success and saved money. How awkward! But a thrifty person doesn't give up. After all, the cardboard tube is made out of paper too. I guess my mascara is ready to retire, but I'll try to make it last longer. Pour hot water into a cup and put in closed mascara. My mascara got younger after this bath. The hot water melted the last few dregs inside the container. It'll be just enough to do my makeup. Just be sure to use it wisely. Don't like the smell in your car? Don't torture your nose. Make your own air freshener. Cut round and triangular pieces out of white and yellow felt. Attach them together to get a lemon slice. Use fabric glue. Sew a ribbon loop to it. Soak the felt in lemon flavoring. And add a few drops of mint essential oil. This is way better! The citrus scent freshens the air in the car. Plus, I saved some money on an air freshener. Just add more essential oil when the scent wears down. I would love to make my face shine. Huh, my wallet is empty. Old eyeshadow will help. Take light pearly eyeshadow out of an old palette. Crumble it and put it into an empty container. Add rubbing alcohol. Compact the eyeshadow and create smooth color transitions. Clean the edges and wipe the container with a Q-tip. Hello, my new low-budget highlighter! Now I can glow without hurting my wallet. Are you going to buy an expensive gadget? Go to a few stores and compare the prices. Spend more time searching, and you will find a good deal on what you need. Way too expensive! No! I won't buy anything until I find the lowest price. Oh, here it is! My financial investigation was a success. Do you want a new t-shirt? There are two options. You either spend all your money or upgrade an old one. Take an old t-shirt you don't wear anymore. Put in cardboard so the paint doesn't bleed through to the back. Make a design with hot glue. When it's dry, spray different fabric paints onto it using a spray bottle. Make it look like space. Flick white paint. Make it look like stardust. Carefully remove the glue. Dry the t-shirt for a few hours and iron it inside out to secure the picture in place. This t-shirt can only be hand-washed. Be a designer of your own t-shirt. First of all, you save money, and second of all, it's one of a kind. Did you like our money and energy saving ideas? Then let us know in the comments how you like to save your cash. And you guys, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new fun life hacks.